Hi friends, welcome back to my crafty desk. My name is Sandra with Blossom and Inspire, and today we are going to work on the cover for Sweet Butterfly. We've already done Lady Butterfly, and let me just give you an update really quick on that. First of all, I went ahead and fussy cut one of the images out that I printed. I wanted to see, she was in full, whatever the size, the full size, and I thought, she might be cute on a cover also, or a journal. I knew I wanted to use her on a journal card. Now, this is not the one I would use on the cover probably of either one of these journals. I love her colors, but there's other ones that I think would have looked, that would match better. Anyways, blah. So, she fits pretty nice on there. I think I would definitely have to put her on something different to make her a little bit more sturdy, but isn't she gorgeous? So, and then this is also the cover, so I have it sewed. And I've never claimed to be a good sewer, and I'm not going to worry about it. I'm just going to go with it. I like it. I think it's fine. My sewing, believe it or not, has gotten better. But I like the way it came out. I like the edges. These are going to keep fraying, but at some point, even if, you know, I don't think they will end at some point, and you can trim it. Anybody can trim it more if they want to, and I don't know if I would do that, but I'm just gonna leave it. I like it. I wanted to see what this looked like and how I felt about it, and I feel good about it. Also, my pockets aren't too shallow. They're deep enough, so when there's a signature in there, and that's sewn in, and that's gonna give it some more stability for the pocket. So I'm very happy with that. So I'm gonna put her inside here, fold this up, and I'm actually going to clip it to help it, because now that it's a little bit stiffer, I wanted to keep that fold right there. So I'm going to put that together and stick her aside. And we'll put, oh my gosh, I just threw a butterfly away. So I'm going to put her aside also for a moment. And then we're going to try to figure out this cover. So again, A and B, I think, are the ones that won out. I did like, I'm pretty sure it was Rhoda. Hi, Rhoda. And thank you, Rhoda. I think it was her that said about using this one on the inside to, because of it, there was enough white space that it helped to showcase her a little bit. I believe that was my take on that. So I'm going with it because I do like it. I think that's really pretty. I left it overnight to come back to look at it and see. So I wanted to put a pocket also on inside her. And so I have this blue, which I have this piece right here. So I either can use this for the cover, like the other one, inside or outside, or I can use it for a pocket, because I thought I had a big giant piece of material, and if I do, I don't know what I did with it. So it's gone somewhere, or I don't have it. I don't remember. Anyhow, if I want to use this as a pocket, this is the only one I have that's going to fit all the way across for me to do my sewing the way I like to do it. If I don't do this as the pocket, then I can use it as part of the cover, or I can just save it for another book. So I'm like, I'm not in love with it. I don't mind it. It's fine. I think it's fine. I can also do just a lace cover or lace pocket. But sometimes the lace pockets, on their own, they're not as tight. Well, I guess they can be, but this isn't that deep. So what I want to put another piece underneath there, you know, like to help it. It doesn't stand out. I just don't feel like, I feel like it's a waste of the lace because I don't think it pops. Well, so you can see underneath it. I did grab some of that fabric off that roll, and I thought, well, maybe we can try and put that underneath and see. It's there's nothing spectacular about that, except that what I did like is I liked that I pulled it up, and I can actually put more than one piece there and figure that out, or I can just leave the lace down and just help it to be a bigger pocket. It gives me the layered look that I like. And then she goes right there. I don't mind that. These tans and creams are throughout here, so that is pretty. So that is an option. There's also, I didn't realize until I was looking for that blue fabric that I was pretty sure I had a big piece somewhere. But look what I found. I found another piece of fabric that's got the blues and the pinks. Isn't that pretty? So I have a smaller piece here that I cut because I thought, oh, I wonder if it would make a, it's got a lot of texture in there. Do you see those? So maybe this was supposed to be curtains. It looks like it would be like a curtain, doesn't it? Like with those little, it's definitely not sheet material, but anyhow, I thought this looked pretty too. So there's that. And even though we voted on it, I feel like part of me is like, I asked you guys to help me to vote, and so I don't want to just change it because we already voted. But I wonder if I had this fabric out, would we have chose this one? Because I think I like that. What do you think? I mean, that's really pretty, right? Then we have the front cover. Let me take that off. And we have that one. So if we did that was the front cover, I just don't know that this is going to play. See, I think it's way too different shades, right? So I like this. I think this is going to be the outside cover. Where is my girl? I just cut her out. So she's not going to be the one that I would use, but I was thinking about maybe putting a butterfly girl on the front of here. And I have them. So even though I don't think, even though I wouldn't use her in the cover if it was this journal, just because of the colors of her, I would choose one of these ones. I just don't know which one. So I have all of those to choose from. I would just print them again in her larger size on a little bit more sturdier paper, I think. Let me take her off. And maybe this isn't the outside fabric. I like her. Would she blend too much? Let's just see. She's going to be much larger than this, but, oh, I almost cut her feet off the other one. Would she blend too much? I don't think so. I think she's cute. They're all really cute, honestly, but I like her too. This is where I start getting too picky. So that one, and let's see, we'll try this one, and we will try so I think she's out. I do like her. She's out. Whoops. And I like that one. I like this one, so I'm liking those yellows. That must be what part of it. I don't know if she has enough depth, so I'm gonna take that one out. So I think she's a little too light. See, there's a little bit of blue in there, but there's some darker, and let's see, and I do the same. I think that's the reason for her. I like her because I love her gigantic, well, it's not gigantic, but I mean in comparison. Like, I love her big head and her big eyes. Okay, let's see. I think she's also got that same look that I'm liking. And maybe this one too. See, they're cute. It's just not the colors that I'm looking for. And then we have this one. Well, let's just do it. Let's just cut them out. And then I better get these ladies all over here so I don't lose them. So let's go through the picks here. No. At least not on this fabric. She is a yes. She is a yes. She is I'm really loving her. So these almost look the same, but I like the face on this one. Oh, I don't know. Nope, I like these. Okay, so I think it's gonna be between these ones. And it would be a bigger image, but is this the front cover? We don't know. I don't know. So I do like this, and this, and this, and I like all this together. What if this was the front? Wrong fabric, girl. That thing's gigantic. So I got more to cut from this. This isn't the easiest one to cut, I will tell you that. Oh, that's kind of pretty too, like a double layer of fabrics. Does that one look better? Maybe, I don't know. Are we going to replace it with this one? We're supposed to be making the cover. I don't think we're gonna make the cover. I think we're gonna be doing this. See, I kind of like that. So what if I did that? This would be the pocket on this one. I like it. I want to get pictures of my kit too. Yeah, see, I think if we would have had, I really feel like if we would have had this fabric out there, this would have been the one we chose. I really do. So I'm gonna have to ask your opinion before I make this cover. This is an opinion video. No, I think I'm gonna just make an executive decision, and I'm gonna use this one for the inside, and I'm gonna use that blue for the pocket. Now, for the outside, I want to see, let me get that big fluffy thing out of my way. For the outside, will this one be fine since I'm gonna put a big butterfly on there? So I'd have to cut a different fabric because this one is, the way it's cut, that flower is going to be on the back and I want that on the front. So let's just pretend like it's the right way. And then we put a big butterfly on her, on this one like this. Is that too white? So I don't think I want a very white fabric on the front. That is part of my issue. So let's take that off. And let's do another fabric. What if, I mean, do we have to do two different fabrics in the front and the back? I mean, or can we put the same fabric on the front cover and the back cover? Can we? See, I don't mind that one. I don't mind that for the thing. Maybe not her, but all my little girls here. See, I don't feel like they're, now I have to go and choose because these ones, although she's quite cute. Oh, I like her too now, see? All right, well, and there goes my day. So, because I can't make a decision. Okay, I think that's too much of that one fabric. I can use it as a fabric flip on the inside if I want to do one of those. And then that way, whoever gets the journal, they can just keep the fabric flip as a secret place to journal and or use it to decorate within their journal, which I love. And that's, I think, one of my favorite things about a fabric flip is that you have that fabric placed in your journal for you to use at your disposal. I just don't think it plays well with that one. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go grab another fabric. Okay, I'm back. I also found, so this is a newer fabric that I picked up. I didn't have this at the time, and I kind of like those together, so I think I have that. I really like pink. This is a super bright pink, but if I'm gonna use this, I mean, it's got some bright pink in there, and I think that would be nice. I would definitely have to iron it. I'm gonna go ahead and cut a piece off real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got a piece. It's very wrinkly, but I had to get it so that we can kind of have an idea of how it's gonna work. I want to know, will it be okay on the cover? Because I kind of like the solids sometimes. Doesn't matter. I like it. It just depends on what I'm doing. But if I'm gonna put a really pretty image on there, the solid background with a hot pink, it's not, I don't think it's too much. I like pink, so I don't think it's too much. But see, she's gonna pop. Wow. I think no matter who I put on there, they are going to pop. No matter, oh my gosh, yes. So I do like that. And then if it opened up and it was these pinks and blues, and then I have the blue pocket on the inside, I really like that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is just gonna be a quick, short little video. I don't really know how long it's gonna be. I'm gonna edit some of this stuff out. But, so, this was going to be a put the cover together. However, I know we voted on it, and I will probably be making some executive decisions, but I really love the pink fabric, and I love this better than what I had given you to choose from. So that is my fault. I am sorry. I really like this too, but I feel like I am just like hemming and hawing way too much. Like, and it's kind of heavier. It would still make a nice pocket, but I think I want the pink on the outside. Like I really like in like this solid pink, and then this really pretty floral with the brightness, and then the softness here, but the colors all still go well, and then the solid here. So I think it really is beautiful, and I think these are just gonna pop right off the colors, off that hot pink. Yeah, I think I need some hot pink and lace in my life. So these are the ones we're gonna do. So this video is just, I was gonna put it together, but I ended up just re-choosing fabrics. I'm sorry if I wasted anybody's time. That was never my intention. I just, when I was looking for more of this fabric, I came across this one, and then I thought, oh my gosh, I have to use it. But then I was struggling to find something to go with it. Out of the choices that we had, they didn't match in my eyes. I don't like the way they were falling together. And if I don't like it, it's gonna be a struggle to create it. So then I went to go look for something else, and I came across this hot pink one, and it just, I think it's perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it put together just like I did the other one. Then I will come back with the butterfly journals on another video, and we will start working on some other items. I'm getting the fussy cut pieces done, or the ephemera pieces, I'm getting those cut out, and I may be reprinting some of these girls because I want one of them to be on the front cover. So I hope you enjoyed this very chaotic let's change our mind a million time video. Thank you, my friends. I really appreciate you hanging out with me. I have a lot of fun. I will see you on the next video. Enjoy all your moments. Bye.